In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the table plus macro in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a flexible, polished table on your page, add your data, and fine tune it so it looks great and is easy for your team to read. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to use Table Plus. Navigate to the correct space and select the page that should host your table. It helps to confirm you have edit permissions for that page, especially if it's part of a shared project or a restricted space. Next, click Edit. You'll enter the page editor where you can change content and insert macros. If you see other elements on the page, don't worry. Table Plus will sit neatly alongside your existing headings, text, and images. To insert the macro quickly, type /, then start typing Table Plus. Confluence will filter the available macros as you type, and you should see Table Plus appear in the suggestions. If you prefer menus, open the macro or insert menu from the toolbar and search for Table Plus there. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster. Select the Table Plus macro from the results. Confluence will insert a macro placeholder into your page. This is your canvas for the data and the styling options that come with the macro. Now add or paste your table data. You can type directly into the table or paste data from a spreadsheet. If you're pasting, a quick tip is to ensure your headers are on the first row. So sorting and scanning are simpler. Take a moment to scan for extra spaces or merged cells from your source. Clean data will make formatting more predictable. With your data in place, customize the table style, formatting, or display settings. Adjust column widths to keep key information visible. Apply header formatting so labels stand out. And consider alternating row colors for readability. If sorting or filtering is available, enable the options that will help readers find what they need faster. Align numbers to the right, text to the left, and dates consistently. Keep contrast strong for accessibility, and aim for a layout that works on both wide monitors and smaller screens. When you're happy, publish the page and check that the Table Plus macro displays correctly. Review the page as your audience would. Skim the headers, try a sort if it's enabled, and confirm nothing wraps awkwardly. If anything looks off, return to edit, make quick adjustments, and publish again. That's it. Your Table Plus table is live and ready to use.